Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Now today we're here with a Casetify case. This is the Ultra Impact case for the iPhone 12 mini. And this is one of my favorite phones, my other favorite phone I'm filming on right here. But this has been one of my favorite cases just because it is slim. It has these extra portions on here that make it very durable. But there is one thing bad and then one thing good about getting this product here. Casetify cases can go for a little bit. I forget exactly how much this one went for, but of course there's a new variation that you can customize, as you can see here, that they will be doing for years to come. That's just what Casetify does. I think it's beautiful. I think it works really well, but this is not the original case that I got maybe a year ago. This is the original case that I got. And it does have Magsafe, but look at this. So I like taking my cases on and off. When I'm out and about, I want a case on my phone. I want to make sure it's protected. But when I'm home, I'm going to take that case off. I just want to have a minimal phone. If I could, I'd remove this case too, which is a different brand of case. But it's a little bit harder to take that one off. So this one I use at home, just very simple, very pocketable. If I drop it, it gets dropped on the carpet that I have here, and I'm all set. But it seems like taking this on and off kind of allowed this to, maybe if there's adhesive, maybe there's something, just to go off, just to be removed from it. And it didn't actually keep a seal on here anymore. It just kind of like, if you drop it, there's a possibility the phone itself could get damaged. So I wasn't happy with that. I contacted Casetify, and thankfully they actually sent out a brand new one. I thought I was going to trade the phone in for a new one, but I kept this one. So here I have this case that works. So they said that this was a one-time offer. They would not be doing this again, but I'm happy with this. The product did fail in my eyes, but Casetify stood behind it, and they gave me a brand new case, which it seems to be fine. But let's see, they did this exchange maybe about 2 months ago, and so far it's fine, but it's only been 2 months compared to this other one failing maybe about 10 months in. So we'll see exactly how that goes. But this case in itself, I'm very happy with, and I'm glad that I could get a replacement, or else I would be saying something totally different. Now again, this is Magsafe, so it works with, this is the new Magsafe wallet. Just pops right there, and you can see it is locked in. Works with the Magsafe battery pack, locks in. Now one thing that I see, it's the same thing on the phone, but I feel like the magnets could be a little bit more. Sometimes you do get some sliding back and forth, and then we also get some sliding back and forth even more with this wallet. Maybe that's just because it's supposed to be easy on, easy off, but I would prefer something very stiff. I hate when the wallet's kind of off to the side here. It's just not something that I'm looking for. But it's not that it's the case, it's the phone as well. It has that same kind of issue, just back and forth. I feel like the magnets on the new wallet are a little bit weaker. This one's a little bit stronger, just because it fits exactly form-fitting right there. But I would say, for me, I do like the Ultra Impact case. It does give you extra protection, even though it kind of juts out here at the corners, all around here. But for me, it's exactly what I was looking for. I'm happy with this, and I'm not committed to Casetify because I am using a different case on here, which we'll be doing a video on that shortly, and that's one of my favorite cases too. But if you are thinking about getting Casetify, I would get a matte version, the MATTE version, and I would customize it too. I like it solid. I like that it doesn't look like it has Magsafe, like some have that kind of ring around it. This doesn't have it. It just looks like it's yours and customized, and just happens to have Magsafe. Just pops like that. It's kind of like, you know, it's hidden. If I didn't have all this little emblems on here, I would just keep it solid black, and that's it. But all in all, this has been with me for about, 13, 14 months. I'm happy with it. But again, remember, the original product failed. But if you do have a Casetify case, and you've had something happen to it, that it's not like you just destroying it for whatever reason, but it failing on its own, kind of like this did, reach out to them. See if they can like honor you and give you a new case to replace it. They just sent it off to me, and I really appreciate that. It's good when you pay so much for a product that they do have their have their back, and I guess your back too, on replacing it if something goes wrong. All right, guys, if you have any questions, put in the comments section below. Don't forget I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. That's the case. I'm happy with it. Let me know what you think too, and let me know if you have a Casetify case. Of course, everybody has a Casetify case right now, so I'll see what happens right down there below. Thanks, guys, and I will see you next time.